What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in with me on day 2 of Tanzania travel vlog. Here you see the beautiful Freegate Beach located in Dar Es Salaam, rastaland. You have a lot of vendors, food options here. It's about 45 minutes from Dar es Salaam city center, and if you drive, it costs 1,000 shillings to park. Come along with me as we explore.
Try travel.
Beach vibe. So it's a reason why they call this rastaland. You will find a lot of Rasta cultural influence here. Check it out.
I had to do it. What we eating?
So we're eating some fish. Don't ask me how to say it in Swahili yet. I'll say it in Swahili. And some fries. So this is like our go-to meal. Fish and fries, fish and chips.
How it tastes?
It's good. Maybe I'm just hungry.
Banging? It's good or it's banging?
It's real good. Hungry.
So I'm about to dig in. Bad.
Oh, you see.
How was her?
Smash it.
Let the plate talk for you? What the plate say?
Oh my goodness.
Delicioso.
Delicioso.
It's like we all the way talk to me nicely in Swahili.
Yeah. Missouri. Very good.
Very good. Very good. How was it? You heard it from the brother. No words, all thumbs.
Feasting. Do y'all want to do like hiking or something while y'all here?
Yeah, that'd be cool.
Did y'all bring hiking shoes?
I'm about to say that's the problem. Pull up.
Thank you all again so much. I hope you enjoyed today's beach vlog. We had an amazing time fellowshipping with our Hebrew Israelite family. Until next time, this is Try Travel signing off. Peace.